double letters. Come and sing with me. Learn the alphabet from A to Z. A is for apple, apple. B is for boat, B, boat. C is for cloud, C, cloud. D is for dinosaur, D, dinosaur. Come on kids, A to Z. Learning letters happily from A to Z. Let's all play, learning letters every day. E is for eagle, eagle. F is for flower, for flower. G is for garden, geeky garden. H is for horse, horse. Come on kids, A to Z. Learning letters happily from A to Z. Let's all play, learning letters every day. I is for iguana, J is for jelly bean, jelly bean. K is for kite, kite. L is for lamp, lamp. Come on kids, A to Z. Learning letters happily from A to Z. Let's all play, learning letters every day. M is for monkey, monkey. N is for notebook, notebook. O is for octopus, octopus. P is for panda, panda. Come on kids, A to Z. Learning letters happily from A to Z. Let's all play, learning letters every day. Q is for quokka, quokka. R is for rainbow, rainbow. S is for snake, snake. T is for tree, tree. Come on kids, A to Z. Learning letters happily from A to Z. Let's all play, learning letters every day. U is for umbrella, umbrella. V is for violin, violin. W is for wizard, what wizard. X is for xylophone, X xylophone. Come on kids, A to Z. Learning letters happily from A to Z. Let's all play, learning letters every day. Y is for yogurt, yogurt. Z is for zebra, zebra. Now we've learned our ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me? Come on kids, A to Z. Learning letters happily from A to Z. Let's all play, learning letters every day. A is for apple, shiny and sweet. B is for butterfly with wings so neat. C is for car zooming down the street. D is for dog with a bark so upbeat. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for fish swimming all day long. G is for giraffe, reaching up high. H is for helicopter flying in the sky. I is for ice cream, a tasty treat. J is for jelly, wobbly and sweet. K is for kite, flying so high. L is for lion with a mighty cry. M is for monkey swinging in the tree. N is for nest where birds are free. O is for octopus with arms 8. P is for penguin, waddling straight. Q is for queen, wearing a crown. R is for rainbow with colors all around. S is for sun, shining so bright. T is for turtle, slow but full of light. U is for umbrella for rainy days. V is for violin, that music plays. W is for whale in the deep blue sea. X is for xylophone, playing notes with glee. Y is for yacht, sailing so free. Z is for zebra, under the tree.